Welcome to Kishore's NEET Padasala. In this video, we will see the concept of streamline and turbulent flow. Only the theory part of this is needed. Let us see what is streamlined flow. The properties of streamlined flow are: at a point the velocity is constant. Now let us assume these are the blue color lines are the streamline. Let us assume this point. Here let us assume one point, here we will assume another one point, here let us assume another point. Let this point be A, let this point be B, and this point be C. Over this line different particles of water are moving. At A, suppose the first particle is having a velocity 10 ms per minus 1, so just an assumption. Now it is crossing this point. Now the second particle, when it is coming to A, then also its speed is 10 ms per minus 1. When the 10th particle is coming to A, at A its speed is 10 ms per minus 1. At B, let the speed be 5 ms per minus 1 for the first particle. For the second particle also at B, the speed is 5 ms per minus 1. For the 11th particle also at B, the speed is 5 ms per minus 1. So at a point velocity is constant, but velocity at A is not equal to velocity at B, that is not equal to velocity at C. At different point the speed is varying, but all the particles at that particular point the speed is constant. And in the drawing, in this picture, you have seen that the streamlines, the blue color lines, they do not cross each other. Suppose if they cross each other, then it is not streamline, it is turbulent. Then if you draw a tangent, then it gives the direction of the flow of fluid. Then fluid velocity is greater when streamlines are closely packed. Suppose here let us assume one streamline and another streamline, the streamlines are closely packed. So in the case 2, the fluid velocity is greater than the case 1. Next, the Reynolds number Re is helpful in finding whether the flow is streamlined or turbulent. The Reynolds formula number is given by rho v d divided by eta. Here d is the diameter of the pipe and rho is the density of the fluid. V is the velocity and eta is the coefficient of viscosity. Let us see about the coefficient of viscosity in the next videos. In that concept viscosity video, we will see the concept of coefficient of viscosity. Suppose you are substituting all this value and the Reynolds number you are finding is less than 1000, then the flow is streamlined. Suppose you are substituting all the value and you are finding that Reynolds number is greater than 2000, then it is turbulent. Now let us see what is turbulent. Turbulent, the velocity is not constant at a point. Suppose let us assume a tube in which all the streamlines are there. At a particular point, for the first part, let this point be A. For the first part, let us there be infinite particle. For the first particle at A, the speed is 10 ms per minus 1. But for the second particle, the speed at A is not 10 ms per minus 1. And for the third particle, there is a different speed at A, and for the fourth particle, there is a different speed at A. So velocity is not constant at a point. If it is constant, then it is streamlined flow. The flow of fluid becomes irregular. You would have seen in news that they have opened a dam, all the water would jump and go. That is a turbulent flow. So if Reynolds number is greater than 2000, then it is turbulent flow. What is the formula of Reynolds number? Density of fluid into velocity of fluid into diameter of pipe divided by coefficient of viscosity. I hope you like this lecture. If you like this lecture, please subscribe Kishore's NEET Padasala.